Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Display and scroll down. Click on Font Size and Style, go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. Over here you need to click on this icon next to Rosemary one and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that my font is over here. If you want to apply it, just click on it. As you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!